Welcome back to Grade 7 Geography, Unit number 2, Our World's Natural Resources, Use and Sustainability. This is lesson number 22, Why are non-renewable resources important? Non-renewable resources are natural resources that are limited and cannot be replaced once they're used up. Fossil fuels and minerals are two important types of non-renewable resources. Fossil fuels were formed from ancient plant and animal life. Oil, natural gas, and coal are fossil fuels. Extracting and refining fossil fuels can be very dangerous to both human and natural environments. Minerals are natural solid substances not formed from plant or animal life. They are found in rocks. There are many minerals, such as gold, copper, and salt. We rely heavily on fossil fuels for everyday activities. Oil supplies over one-third of the world's energy. Oil and natural gas can be refined into substances used to make plastic, paint, rubber, and cosmetics. In Canada, over 96% of all powered vehicles run on gasoline and diesel fuel. Coal is the most abundant fossil fuel in the world. The World Coal Association estimates that there is still 112 years worth of coal remaining. While Canada has been using less coal due to environmental concerns, there has been a worldwide increase in coal burning, particularly in Asia. And we can actually see that by comparing the world's total primary energy supply during the years 1973 and 2011. Interesting to note that um, oil has decreased from 46 to 32%, whereas coal has actually increased from 25 to 29%. And also, interesting to note, uh, the percentages for hydro and biofuels and waste have not changed over that 38-year period of time. We use minerals in all parts of our daily lives. Copper wires conduct electricity in our homes. Copper pipes deliver water throughout our homes. Our appliances and furniture have steel parts. Steel is made from iron. Sand and gravel were used to build the foundation of our buildings as well as our roads. Everyday electronics, such as computers, cell phones, and televisions, contain parts that are made from minerals. Fortunately, there are enough minerals in the world that we are unlikely to run out of them. However, we are in danger of using up the large deposits that are easily available. Future generations may have to search for new mineral deposits, which could be of low quality. Fossil fuels were created hundreds of millions of years ago from dead plants and animals, like in this picture here. Their remains were buried under layers of mud, rock, and sand. In some cases, the layers are hundreds of meters thick. The pressure from the buildup of the layers changed the decomposing remains into fossil fuels. Different types of fossil fuels were created under different conditions. Crude oil is oil that has not been refined. It is formed in places where the sea life was covered in sediments. The pressure of overlying layers and heat from Earth's core cooked the remains and formed the crude oil. When deep crude oil deposits were heated even more, they created pockets of natural gas. Trees and other plants covered by layers of material changed into coal. Minerals are created by the same forces that created Earth's landforms. There is a connection between landform patterns and the location of different types of minerals. Metallic minerals are usually found in rocks created by enormous heat and pressure. Mountains, shields, plateaus, and volcanoes are sources of metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals can be found in rocks created by sediments. Landforms that were created by sediments include plains and valleys. They are sources of non-metallic minerals. Okay, so in about a minute, you're going to pause this video in order to try out this true or false activity. After you've paused the video, you'll read each sentence carefully and consider whether the statement is true or false. If you need, you can unpause the video, go back to the beginning, watch it again 1 or 2 more times. But I do want you to try out this true or false activity here, and we will take it up in tomorrow's class. But until then, this concludes today's video.